Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. Today I am making a recipe of bread pudding. So using a curd and bread. For the ingredients, here I taken for the curd 200 grams, sugar 150 grams, 4 slices of bread, 2 spoons of ghee, elachi powder and the milk powder. So first in the bowl we can add a sugar and curd. We can mix well. Suppose you want to make for the curd, sugar you want to make a powder also, you can make the powder for that. Okay, so now I can add for the, when we mix for the curd and sugar, it get melt nicely. So first you can beat it that. So just you can beat nicely for this. So for this one, I can add for the little bit elachi powder. This is elachi powder I am adding. So for this one, we can use for 3 to 4 spoons of milk powder. I can add it here. So this we can mix nicely. So just keep it for 5 minutes. The sugar get dissolved on that. When you add for the sugar powder, you don't want to wait. See for this, now I can add for the 2 spoons of ghee. So this is bread also. Just we can make it a powder and put it on this. So we'll mix well for this. So this is I am taking a bread for the sweet taste. I am using for the tutti frutti bread I am using here. Mix for this until it's get fluffy on this. See now the mixture get ready. So before that we can do it. You can make it. Okay, this is you can make it for the two way. One, you want to make it for the micro 60%, you can cook for the 6 to 8 minutes, you can use for the micro safe vessel. Either you can go for the convection 180 degree, preheat the oven. After preheating, set the time for 12 minutes. Now we can make it under convection mode. So here I can go for the convection mode, 180 degree, and start for the preheating. So while the time I can use it for this multi-cook pan, I can shift it on this. So you want to use for the, you can use a Borosil vessel, either you can use it for the multi-cook pan. Just you can dump it like this. So this is we can use for the local rack with a multi-cook pan we can use. It's for the preheating for the 180 degree it will become. Okay, once the preheating get done, we'll open the door. I'll keep it inside. Close the door. Set the time for 12 minutes. And start. 10 seconds is there. Your pudding is ready now. You can see. So pudding is ready. Okay, thank you.